Guys, it's looking really nice out here with the snow. I'm on the top. There's a gnarly trail behind me. I don't even know what it is. I don't even know if it's a trail. It's looking really gnarly though. Coming through. Thank you. I know some of you in the comments probably gonna be like, you're not even riding in the part of the trail. Yeah, well, I'm exploring. I wanna see more. I wanna see what's up. It looks like a beat up, busted trail. Okay, but we're making it though. Let's go, son. Come on. Let's go. I'm standing on the bike. I'm still on the bike. Up, and that's the end of the road. Look at this beauty though. Like, if you guys don't think it's beautiful, I don't know what else to say. You gotta go back to New York City, because this shit is off the hook. I'm loving every second of it. Thank you. Whichever way you're going, you gotta keep on the bike, and I did it. So climbing here, up here, it was very gnarly to climb here. It was very steep and slippery. I hiked a couple of sections because it was too slippery. I believe I could clear it, but not in a day like this. Maybe if I have enough tries, I'll be able to master this climb, but for the first time, not bad at all. Like Canadian boys say, So the way up wasn't too hard. Let's pray that the way down it's not gonna be too sketchy. As soon as I say pray, again, as soon as I say pray, I need God. But above all, I need my focus. Definitely slippery, mad slippery, matter of fact. I'm sliding. Oh God, but I'm making it though. I'm gonna take the left line. We're good. Yep, making it. Yep. Okay. Yep, bad traction, very sketchy. Wait. Oh, it's icy. Oh yeah, what's up guys? I'm here in Connecticut in Cowles Park. It's snowing. I got 3-hour drive to come back home. Okay, mother suckers, look at this. Snowy weather, beautiful day, chilies, and I'm hungry.
It's barbecue in there.
So the waiting time in the kitchen is 30 minutes. I'm not doing it. Bike is looking really sexy. I'm here at Char Kun Noodle. Let's try this spot. I need to eat. Chilies was disappointing because the kitchen was delayed.